The owner has loved living in the heart of River Oaks for 40 years. The spacious lot, 0.69 acres, is wide and deep west/mature landscaping. Room for play, gardening, and even a pool. The house has charm and a great floor plan. Big rooms, high ceilings, and level changes enhance the character. Great flow between entry, living, den, dining, and kitchen. Master suite plus second bed bath down. 2 more bedrooms, bath and loft up. Big 3-car carport plus ample parking. Lots to love and dream home potential too.